Hi everyone, myself Bhagyashree, and today I am going to share about the why people give up while learning the data structure and algorithm. So there are some major reasons which we have to be see, and that's why the algorithm and data structure part most of the people is doing the give up. I will say first point is like complexity. Let's start with that. So complexity or difficulty, I will say in that what we are saying like DSA can be challenging for the beginner. Understanding the DSA can be tough for the one new to the journey of the programming. Is as a new you are trying to appear or you are started in that level, it will be just little bit difficult. But after 1 month, 2 month consistency practices, it will become easier. So the abstract nature of some concept could be a complex problem solving technique, but can be overwhelming and demotivating for the learner after like starting off there, but it will be easier for after consistency practicing over there. Second, we have a lack of clear purpose. So in most cases what we see, the problem solver or the learner does not have a clear idea and may not see the immediate practical application of the DSA, especially if they are just starting their programming journey. Without a clear purpose or real world context, motivation can help. Third point, I will say time consuming. Mastering the DSLI is obviously a time consuming process. It is a problem solving approach. We have to be think, then basis of that we have to provide the solution. This is obvious, like no comment. But if you want to become a master in the DSA and algorithm, you will have to be spend the plenty much amount of time. It is a time consuming process that require a consistent practice and dedication. So people with busy schedule and other commitment may find challenging to the invest the necessary time and effort. Fourth, I will say we have a fear of failure. Failure is also a sure thing, but no one is born perfect. Data structure algorithm in that level also we can see. Even the red coder also failed many times and faced the failure, but these failure are the most important lesson for any programmer. So as the failure taught us to better next time. Programming, exercise, and algorithm problem solving often involve the trial and error. Fear of failure or making a mistake can lead to anxiety and discourage the learner from the counting. So it will be at the initial level we have to be fail, we have to be fear of failure, but after consistency practicing, we are going to be become a pro on that. Then we have a lack of learning resources. Poorly structured or overly complex learning resources can